Okay. Hi, River. How are you doing? Where are you at in the world?
Girl, I'm in New Jersey. You know how
Good.
it is.
That's
I'm
where the
in
film is
the
set.
Exactly. I'm so grateful to be in New Jersey the week before the film is coming out, 2 days before it being in Chicago for the first
Yeah.
time.
Early screening at Music Box. Yes. And we just got word that it's sold out of the small theater at Music Box, and they just opened up and released tickets for the big giant theater. So if you guys wanted tickets, you can go back to that link, Music Box, click Ponyboi and buy the tickets. It'll be this Thursday at 7 p.m. So yeah, thank you for doing this interview, River.
Of course, honey. Thank you.
What is your name? What is your pronouns? And what do you do with your life?
Okay. Hi, my name is River Gaia. My pronouns are they, them. I am a filmmaker, writer, actor, and an intersex advocate. Sometimes model on the side. 'Cause girl, we need to pay our bills. And yeah, I'm so thrilled. And I'm also the star and writer producer of Ponyboi, which premiered at Sundance in 2024 and is being theatrically released June 27th, in select theaters across the country and in Chicago this Thursday as an
Yep.
early screening.
At the Music Box. So I've had the privilege of seeing you, which I think is really rare, be in school for film, have this idea for a film, a short film, Ponyboi, and now, years later, it's a theatrical release. So I wanted to ask you, if Ponyboi had a mood board, what would be on it?
If Ponyboi had a mood board, I think it would start with some My Little Pony dolls. It would have just like a little mound of glitter. There would be like some scenes from some David Lynch movies, like Mulholland Drive, maybe some Wong Kar-wai movies. Fallen Angels? Is that the name of the movie? Oh God, I'm gonna sound like such a bad film person. I think that's the name of
No,
the
it makes
movie.
you more relatable.
Thank you. What else would be on it? There'd be like some Vegas neon signs, but like the old, so like in Vegas there's like the strip and then there's like the old school Vegas strip. It would be like that kind of the faded glory, like 1950s Vegas vibe.
So guess what that was? That was just a clip of the full interview. If you want to see the full 23-minute interview I did with River Gaio, the writer, producer, and star of Ponyboi, you can go watch it right now on my Patreon. It's like super cheap to be part of my Patreon. It's like dollars, like $2 or something a month. And if you don't want to do that, that's cool. I'll put it on my YouTube in about a week or so. So thank you for being here. And I hope you can support me on Patreon. And I hope you go watch the film. It's going to be amazing. Comes out soon.